Hello friends, this is Bhupati and it is part 2 of the video Windows commands. In the previous video we saw about what is batch file and basic Windows commands. Batch file is nothing but a sequence of Windows commands. When you open the batch file, the commands will get automatically executed and complete the process. Now in this video we will see some other Windows commands like launch browser, how to rename the file, how to open a file and copy the file from one location to another location or from one drive to another drive, and how to merge different files, and finally how to delete the file. Now let us go to the video. Let me launch Windows command. I will open the command prompt as system administrator. Then only it will allow us to copy files from one location to another location. Otherwise you will get a message as access is denied. Now you have opened the command prompt. You can see now the title as administrator : command prompt. I want to change the title. Now let us change the title to happy automation. Enter. Now you can see title is changed as happy automation. Now let us see what all the folders or directories available in the automation folder. Our automation folder is in D drive, correct? In the last video we saw an automation folder was created in D drive. Let me show D drive. You will navigate to the D drive, directories. You can see a folder named automation. Let us see what are the files available in that folder, because we want to copy a file from one location to different location. So if I go to this automation folder, how can we go? If you type automation and enter, you will get syntax error, because this is not the proper way that you should navigate to the automation folder. First you need to change the directory from the D drive to D drive. It should be D drive /automation. Now our directory is changed from D drive to D drive /automation. Now let us see, use directory command and enter. You can see it contains 4 text files: ideas1, ideas2, ideas3 and rpa-tips.txt, and a folder called selectors. Okay, now let us open this automation folder in Windows Explorer. What to do? Start space dot. Now we just cross check once. You can see 4 text file on one selector folder is there. I want to copy this ideas1.txt to this selectors folder. Okay, how can we do it? First I need to use the command copy. That is, from this automation folder I am going to copy a file. What is the file name? ideas1.txt. So destination selectors. So this is selectors folders is our destination. Enter. Now one file is copied. Now we will change the directory to selectors to check if actually ideas1.txt is copied to the selectors folder. Now we change the directory. Now we enter the dir command and list out the files and folders. You can see ideas1.txt is present under the selectors folder. Now let us open it in Windows Explorer. What is the command to open in Windows Explorer? Start space dot, enter. Now you can see selectors folder is open and the file ideas1.txt is copied to the selectors folder. From the automation folder it copied to the selectors folder. Okay, now let us see how to copy the same file from the automation folder to the users folder in C drive. Now first let us check what are the files available in automation folder. Change directory automation. Now command dir. First I want to make sure ideas1.txt is present in automation folder. Yes, it is there. Now I want to copy this ideas1.txt to C drive in users folder. first copy ideas1.txt. I want to copy to C drive / users. Now I click on enter. Now the file ideas1.txt is copied to the users folder. Now we need to check whether the file is actually copied to the users folder. What to do? First we need to navigate to C drive. So I will change the path C drive. Now our drive is changed. Actually we want to check in users folder. Now I want to go to one folder up, cd double dot, again one folder up, cd double dot. Now C drive, we want to go to the users folder, correct? Change drive, change directory, users, enter. Now we are in the correct path, C:\user. Now we need to check whether our file is actually present in this folder. We need to use the command dir, enter. We can see ideas1.txt file is copied from the automation folder to users folder. This is how we need to copy from one drive to another drive. Now we will see the command of how to copy multiple files into one single file. First I will change the directory to D drive, automation. Let us check what are the directories available under the automation folder. I am using the command dir, enter. You can see 4 text files are there, file1, file2, file3, RPA tips, and one folder, selectors. Now I want to copy all the contents from file1, file2, file3 text file into one single text file. Okay, before that let us see what actually is in file1. Let me open that file. To open that file, just make sure your drive is pointing to that correct path. Now enter the file name, file1.txt. Now it will open this is file1. Okay, if you want to open file2, file2.txt, it will open file2. So like this we can open the file. I will clear the screen. Now we want to copy file1.txt plus file2.txt plus file3.txt into one single file in the same folder, files merge.txt. Now I enter. Now we need to know whether the file copied into a new file name called files merged. Let us use dir command. It will list out all the directories in the automation folder. Now you can see new file is created, files merged.txt. Let us open that file, files merged.txt, and see whether all the contents is actually copied. Yes, you can see all the file1, file2, file3 content is copied. If you want to copy one particular file extension into one single file, then we can use wildcards. Let us see how to use wildcards while copying command. Let us see available files in the automation folder. Now I want to copy all the text files, that is .txt file, into one single file. So simply I can use wildcard star *.txt, my new file name, text files, or I will give all text files .txt, enter. Now all our text files is copied to one single file, that is all text files.txt. Now I will open all text files.txt. You can see all the text files is copied into one single file. If you like to know more about copy command, just type command name copy space /, enter. Now it is giving a detailed information about copy command. Now we'll look at the command of launching browser. Now I want to launch Chrome browser. Earlier we saw the command of start space dot to open the Windows Explorer. Now we are going to launch the browser. Which browser I wish to launch? Chrome, and the site is our automation channel, www.youtube.com happy automation RPA. Enter. If I enter now, then it will launch the Chrome with our YouTube channel. Now I clicked on enter. You can see our channel is getting opened in Chrome browser, and whatever the session I am recording about Windows commands, I am including it in this Windows commands playlist. Okay, here already I recorded a video and it contains one video, and the video I am recording now is also will be included in this playlist. I will close. Now I don't give any browser, then it will open in the default browser. I will give simply /https www.youtube.com the automation RPA. Enter. Now it will open the default browser set in this laptop. Now default browser is I think Edge. Let's see. You can see our YouTube channel is getting opened in Microsoft Edge, because we didn't mention any browser over there, so it is opening in Edge. The same in RPA automation. If you look, we do have an option to open browser, and apart from just opening browser, it is giving an additional option, that is whatever we wish to do after launching the browser, we can include those steps in the sequence. That is, the automation concept is continuously evolved and it is still growing further. That is, already AAML is got introduced in RPA automation, and they are terming it as cognitive RPA. Okay, it's a separate topic. Now we'll go. Whatever the commands we saw in this session, that is copying the files, merging the files, launching the browsers, or creating a directory, all these commands can be executed simultaneously just by creating one single batch file. We will see those videos in the next upcoming sessions. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and support our channel and click on the bell icon. You will receive the notifications whenever I upload the video. Thank you.